Hi, it's Michelle Einstein, Birdsong. I was making a video earlier, and Kenneth, my assistant, came in, and I had to stop. So this is part 2 of the I Just Called to Say I Love You video with Stevie Wonder. Stevie Wonder was taken by the song The Uncle Tom Game because, as a blind person, he is an Uncle Tom. And then Edwin Birdsong became friends with Steve, and he found himself being an Uncle Tom for Stevie, to be friends with him and get to go to all the VIP parties and things. So I want to play the song, The Uncle Tom Game, for you, so you can see. This is why Stevie fell in love with the album What It Is, because it described what he does.
Uncle Tom, yeah. Number 1 got hung, number 2 got hung, number 3 got hung, number 4 got hung. And number 5 got hung, number 6 got hung, number 7 got hung, number 8 got hung. And number 9 got hung, number 10 got hung, number 11 had to come. Some would try to hide, others made up lies. Almost all kept quiet, anticipated spies. Then one man named Tom, the master of calm, was able to survive, cause he invented jive. Yeah. And number 1 got hung, number 2 got hung, number 3 got hung, number 4 got hung. Yeah. And number 5 got hung, number 6 got hung, number 7 got hung, number 8 got hung. And number 9 got hung, and number 10 got hung, and number 11 was Uncle Tom, the master of calm. They all got hung.
Okay, that's the Uncle Tom Game. I'm trying to see how to pause it, but I guess it stopped. Okay. Seems to have stopped. Alright, so we left off here where he said, I just called to say I love you. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart. E for Edwin, B for Birdsong, O for order to Tom. Edwin Birdsong ordered to Tom. Okay, and then of my heart, he, here, to Michelle, art. Okay, so Steve heard my art. I wrote that song. But he somehow never connected the lyrics, the genius of the lyrics, to me, Beethoven, Shakespeare. Alright, so I said, no summer's high, no harvest moon, to light one tender August night. Steve's only actual child is Robin Michelle Birdsong, and she was born August 1st, morn. No autumn breeze, no autumn leaves. These are lines from the I Just Called to Say I Love You song of Stevie Wonder's. Not even time for birds to fly to southern skies. T. Michelle Birdsong rode a bus with 3 kids to the southern skies, Clarksville, Tennessee, escaping from Los Angeles, Hollywood, and Bel Air. Yeah, I found them inhospitable there, to say the least. They were snobs. I was an up-and-coming lyricist. I hadn't become famous yet and acknowledged yet. And neither had Edwin, but he had. People acknowledge him more than they did me because his picture is on the cover of the album, you see. No Libra sun. I have a Libra Scorpio sun. Sing Birdsong. No Halloween celebration. I don't celebrate Halloween. I celebrate Columbus Day. See order. Love you. Michelle Birdsong. Bus arrived day. The bus did arrive one day after a long trip from Los Angeles to Clarksville, Tennessee. That's a long way on a bus with 3 kids, all under 5 years old. No giving thanks to all the Macy's Thanksgivings Day Parade ends with Santa opening the Christmas season. See Santa Land, 9th floor at Macy's on Herald Square. Movie Miracle on 34th Street. It's about Macy's. No giving thanks to all the Christmas joy you bring. One Christmas, Steve and Yolanda gave us, Edwin and I, $2,000 for a Christmas gift. We turned down our electricity, or it might have been the phone was all. We turned the phone back on. And I bought the children singing Robin phonics lessons and song on records from Isabel Buckley Private School in Bel Air, California. I'd heard about Isabel Buckley and the phonics records on Long John Neville's show with his wife Candy. It came on midnight. It was a radio show. When we lived in Hollis, Queens, I would listen to it every night. No giving thanks to all the Christmas joy you bring. But what it is, though old, it came out in 1971. This song came out in 1984. But what it is, though old, so new, is timeless. That's what he was saying. To fill your heart like no 3 words could ever do, ever. Mother do. Divine orders. That's Eve. To fill your heart, he art ideas. She fills his art with her ideas. That's Mother Eve. That's Michelle Birdsong. Did I get through it? Yeah. No. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I do. Marry you. I told you. We walked down the aisle of an American Airlines jet from Detroit to New York City in Queens. Queens is a part of New York City. I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Bottom. Back of the tom of my heart dick. Back of Tom's bottom, my heart dick. Not mine, I don't have a dick. That would be Birdsong. The game Birdsong and Stevie Wonder played 48 years as best friends. I just called to say I love you for reading me, the biggest tom in the world, If I wouldn't have been a Tom, I wouldn't have had any friends or lovers. This is Steve talking. Lyric said, Lyric Wonder, Sarita Wright's daughter, said Steve used her mom, Sarita Wright's ideas, and Billy Preston. Sarita Wright and Billy Preston sang With You I'm Born Again. Michelle was born again December 5th, 1970, and April 21st, 2022, initiated by Jesus Christ Charan Singh. And is Steve going to wants to be, come in to Michelle's baby. I'm almost done here, come in. He doesn't have to die to have sight by getting a new healthy body. He can let the doctors operate on his, on his eyes. They think they can give him back his sight, and stem cells makeover and neuroplasticity can, if he does talk and share therapy to forgive himself for any wrongdoing, he can see again. Okay, that's the end. That's the end of this Stevie Wonder thing. This is Kenneth, my assistant. Look at that great jacket he's wearing. I tell him he's a model. He wears clothes so beautifully. Oh, thank you.
I owe you for a bag of chips.
Huh?
I owe you for a bag of chips.
Oh, okay. Don't worry about it.
Receipts in the bag.
Okay, thank you.
This, vitamins at the bottom.
Okay, thank you.
Whole Foods didn't have the eggless mayonnaise.
No?
And they didn't have
the Big Frank's.
Yeah, Big Frank's.
Okay.
That's canned Frank's, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they didn't have them.
Okay, I'll get it from Amazon.
Okay.
So long, Kenneth. Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. He's a Gemini. He's the best thing that happened to me in a long time. He really, really helps me out a lot. Okay, and I tip him, you know. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot. And I'll get back to you when I have more news to share. So long.